Hello everyone, welcome to the next part of the triangulation. In the previous part, we saw a wonderful position to understand the use of triangulation and convert a draw's position to a winning one. In this part, let's see one more practical position which can come up in any of our games. This position is white to play and win. Can you find the winning idea for white? Hope all of you pause the video and try to figure out how can white win this game. So before understanding the winning plan, let's understand in general what white can do to win the game. Here, white has no way to move to b4 or a4 because the black king is sitting on a5. So the only way out how white can win is to somehow grab the c5 pawn. So the general, or you can say the journey towards the d5 and then capture c5 can be done, but let's see if it works or not. If king c3 is played, king a4, king d3, king a3, king d5, capture, king d5, king b3, you capture the pawn, you might win the game. But it is not as easy as it seems, because after king c3, king a4, king d3, black has a wonderful move, king b4, asking questions to the white king. Can you really move away from your c4 pawn? So white has to actually sacrifice either the c4 pawn or the a pawn, and this won't be winning for white. So if king c3, king a4 is done, it seems that the d3 and the b4 squares are corresponding to each other. So white has to be careful while stepping on the d3 square because of king b4. So white may find a journey towards the d5 square by going to d2 and then e3, then e4 and then to d5, then capture the c5. So let's see how the game may proceed. King d2, king a3, king e3, king captures on a2, king e4, king b3. Black king is reaching on time to attack the c4 pawn. So white has to be very careful while stepping on d5 because even that corresponds to the b4 square. If white king steps on d5, white will lose. So white has to be happy for a draw by coming back to d3, and this actually would be a draw. So whatever white plays, white is actually not able to win. And the main reason why white is not able to win is the black king is on time to capture the a2 pawn and later attack the c4 pawn and probably capture it. So if it is the same position and it is black to play, black king has to go back. Probably black will lose some time and he won't be able to capture the a2 pawn and the c4 pawn as we discussed in the previous variations. So the winning plan for white here would be to use the triangulation method and play the wonderful move king a3, asking questions to the black king. Can you come forward? The answer is no. Black king has to go back. That ensures that the black king is one step away from attacking our a2 and c4 pawns. King b2, wonderful move. If king comes back to a5 because he wants to threaten the white pawns, we are going to play king b3, exactly the same position, but the difference is now it is black to play. So black has to move the king back, and here comes king c3, king a5, king d2, wonderful move, king a4, king e3, king a3, king e4, king captures on a2, and here comes king d5 because black king not able to reach b4 on time. And this actually is a very easy win for white. And in the same position, after triangulating, so let's say king a3, king goes back, king b2, and the king moves to, let's say, a6, because black is saying that if you can triangulate, even I can triangulate. But if that's the case, as the king is on a6, not on a5, he is already one step away. So there is no need to triangulate. Here we can simply start our journey or continue our journey towards the d5 square. So the winning move here is king c3, king a5, king d2, king a4, king e3, king a3, king e4, king captures on a2, king d5, king b3, king into c5, and white wins. Hope all of you like this video. Thank you for watching.